Hey there my friend, welcome. My name is Dr. Anthony Balducci. I'm the founder here at the Fit Father Project. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to do dumbbell lunges for beginners. If you're just starting out in exercise and you want to learn the form of dumbbell lunges, we're going to cover everything here in this video. So you're going to see me demo the two most effective and safe dumbbell lunges variations here in our home gym. And I'm going to give you some ideas on the proper sets and reps so you can incorporate this into a workout routine to get you great results with leg strength and fat burning. I know you're going to learn a ton. So get out your pen and paper, take some notes, and let's dive on in.
FitFatherProject.com.
All right, so dumbbell lunges are an exercise that I have always loved because, quite frankly, they're so simple to do. All you need is a pair of dumbbells and an open space. So we're going to show two versions here of the dumbbell lunges, especially dumbbell lunges for beginners, where we're going to do both a stepping in place dumbbell lunge, where I'm going to be stepping and stepping back, and a walking variation. I'm going to explain why these two are different, the muscles worked, and which one you might want to pick and incorporate into your workout routine. So first things first, we have our dumbbells here. And if you're getting started with these, you may not even need weight. You might even be good with just doing step back lunges, and that's totally fine, but I'm going to show you how to do them with dumbbells. So get some dumbbells for starting out that is a little lighter than you think you might need, and let's get you into good posture. So I want you to have a nice stance that's roughly around shoulder width, because as we're doing the dumbbell lunges, we need to balance, and if your stance is too narrow and we're stepping here, it's going to be really wobbly. So nice shoulder width stance, chest is high, arms are nice and back, core is tight. We're going to start with the step back variation. So I'm going to pick one leg at a time. As I'm stepping forward about, I'd say about 2-3 feet, so I'm comfortable here in this position. As I drop down, I'm dropping down in a position where my knee is roughly in line with my front toe. Certainly not coming forward over here. It might even be a little farther back. So we want to step forward. What we don't want to do is step too shallow, and then we have this weird, awkward, like, collapse thing happen. And conversely, we don't want to step too far where we got this weird, like, really big hip flexor stretch. We want to find that Goldilocks in the middle. We're stepping far enough out that we're coming down. Knee is drawing a nice straight line with that toe. Back foot barely touches, and we're driving right on back to starting position. Down forward, touch, right on back. And you get a nice rhythm with this. Step forward, right on back. If you feel like you're out of balance, you can step even a little wider and come on back. This gives you a wider base, and it's totally fine. Now, with the step back lunge variation, we're working your quads pretty hard because that quad comes down, quad has a lot of tension, quad drives right on back to that starting position. This is different than the walking lunge variation, which I'll show you, which is very glute heavy, because as we step forward, we're going to push off this back leg, come forward to a walking lunge right back here. So again, one more fine form point on the step back lunge is as I'm lunging forward, I'm focusing on keeping all the tension in this front quad and my glute. My glute is tight. I'm not allowing this glute to drop down here or stay high. It is really loaded just like this, and I'm driving right on back to starting position. So that is the step back lunge. It is a little more quad dominant. So if you want to work your quadriceps, step back lunge is really great for torching the quads. Now, if we want to get a little more cardio, and if we want to work the glutes and the hamstrings, backside a little bit more, we're going to want to do walking lunges. So get a little more space here. We're going to take a step forward, same lunge position down here, except instead of driving backwards, I'm going to be driving forwards into a second lunge. Up, forward. I'm going to come back to starting position to demonstrate that again. Here, down. Come down, same position here, driving up, step forward, down. Up, step forward, down. I'm exaggerating those steps, but I want you to really see it's a two-part motion. Good standard lunge, down right here, drive it up, next foot comes down, up, next foot comes down, right to here. And done more quickly, in nice flow, this is what they'll look like. Down, up, down, up, down, up. And so we count those step lunges as 1, 1, 2, 2. So one each leg all the way up and down. And ideally, you're not in a small gym here where you have to go there and reset. You can get a nice long stretch and you can go down for like 10 to 15 reps per side. So in this point, we're going to talk about the proper sets and reps so you can incorporate these into your workout. All right, so in terms of incorporating dumbbell lunges into your workouts, I have two suggestions for you. One, if your goal is more weight loss, fat burning, getting leaner, then this is an amazing exercise to do in higher reps and higher sets. So incorporating, if you have, let's say, a leg day or something like that, incorporating 4 sets of like 15 to 20 reps per leg is gonna absolutely torch your legs and give you a great cardio workout. So make sure you pick that nice long stretch, and you can do this maybe second or third exercise in your workout for a great burn. If your goal is strength, then you want to go heavier on these. You might want to get dumbbells that are very challenging, the point where you can maybe only do 8 per leg. And I would probably suggest, again, you do this more at the tail end of your workout, where you're doing more big compound motions like your squats, your deadlifts, leg press perhaps, certain kinds of swings and hip hinge motions. And then later on in the workout, when you want to drive more blood flow and your legs are already a little fatigued, you do your walking lunges with dumbbells that you can handle. So those are 2 options right there. And if your goal is weight loss, lunges are amazing. They're a great exercise, but there is an even more effective way to exercise to burn calories and boost your metabolism than just doing standard lunges and strength training. We recommend it. It's called metabolic circuit training, and we have a free 24-minute fat burning workout that shows you how to use this same pair of dumbbells right here and the same roughly 5-10 feet of floor space, and you get an amazing metabolism boosting workout in 24 minutes that boosts your metabolism for over 24 hours. So it's a pretty good return on your time investment, if you ask me, and the link for that free workout is in the description. My team and I will email that straight to you. So that's something you want to check out if your goal is fat loss and that's your goal. If your goal is muscle building, then I want to recommend you also check out our 5 best strength building exercises, also linked in the description. A really great video. Overall, lunges are amazing. Dumbbell lunges are great. Such a natural motion for your body. Make sure you pick a weight that's light. Make sure you get your balance down, and make sure you're always driving through those glutes and those legs, and you're staying nice and upright and not hinging forward. I hope you found this video valuable and you learned something. And my challenge to you is to incorporate some dumbbell lunges into your routine this week. Experience them for yourself, whether the step back lunges or the walking lunges. Amazing exercise for you to use. And if you like this video and you want more support with losing weight, burning fat, building muscle, getting and staying motivated, our Fit Father Project team is here to support you. We have tens of thousands of program members in our online Fit Father 30X program. We'd love to have you join us. But the first thing to do is just subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button, check that little bell to get notified when we publish new videos. We already have hundreds of videos on the channel waiting for you right now on the best exercise tutorials for sure, but some of those other fat burning workouts, muscle building workouts, all the nutrition guides, we have all of that for you. There will be links in the description of this video that you can check out and dive deeper. We would love to help support you. So hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up if you found this useful, and drop us a comment below to say hi. We cannot wait to hear from you. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and we'll talk to you in our future videos, and we'll see you very soon, my friend.